Welcome back to my channel. I'm Dawn, Donna Cooking, and in my videos I like to serve up healthy family recipes to help you get through the week. And in this week's video I'll be making picadillo. This was a family favorite on my son-in-law's side of the family. It would help stretch their food dollar and feed a crowd. So come on with me in this video and let's get cooking. Now in this video I did use a few different seasonings, and I'm going to be linking these from Amazon in the description box below the video, or if you have a specialty market you can find them there, or a Spanish market, and these really make this recipe just super good. And one other thing is I make this special garlic paste, and I'm going to be putting this in the description box below the video too. My son-in-law's mother makes this and they just use it in all their cooking, and I just make up a few jars and keep it in the refrigerator, and you will really like it, and adds just a fresh garlic taste to all your dishes. So make sure you do this for the recipe. I'm going to start off first by browning the hamburger. So my meat is all cooked, so I'm going to go ahead and now drain off the fat. Now I've added the onion to the pan, and next I'm going to be adding a scoop of the garlic. And let this start sauteing. Now let's go ahead and add some seasonings to this. I'm going to start off with this one. And I'm just going to be adding about a half a teaspoon of each, and then we can adjust the seasonings later. Alright, next I'm going to add the ground beef and the tomato paste, a little bit of cumin. I'm going to add about 3/4 of the can. If we need more, we will add it. Smelling great. Now some cumin. I love cumin, but everybody different in how much they like to add. The ground beef, grab the chicken broth, we're going to let this simmer for like about 10 minutes and then add some mixed vegetables and more chicken broth if we need to. And then you can taste it to adjust any seasonings. Alright, now since my picadillo has been simmering on the stove for a little bit and I've tasted it and adjusted the seasonings, now I'm going to go ahead and add in some mixed vegetables. You can add in whatever kind of vegetables you like. These are mixed, but if you prefer to add just peas, just do whatever your family would like. I added a little over a cup of the vegetables, almost a cup and a half, so just use whatever you'd like. And I'm going to add just a little more chicken broth now. And then go ahead and you can taste it, and if it's good, then it's ready to serve. Alrighty, let's serve up this delicious dinner. I got my rice in the bowl, and we'll just add on a nice spoonful. This is going to be a great dinner for the family. hope that you will make this recipe soon and it will be one that your family will enjoy. We sat down last night and ate it, and it fed 4 adults and 2 children, just to let you know, and everybody loved it. And so don't forget to make it soon, and please leave me a comment when you do. Check out the description box for the links and the recipe for the garlic, and don't forget to subscribe so that you can see more videos like this. Happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next video.